All right, guys, what's up? Back with another video on the old truck build. So catch you guys up to speed. Got the Bilstein shocks, and obviously they look good. These are new U-bolts. They look like shit, but still new. Front BK Fab track bar looks great. And what we're doing today is we're going to be replacing the bushings on the sway bar right here and the end links. The reason that we're going to do these, besides the fact that I'm not sure how well you can tell the bushing is. Let me get under here real quick. Bushing's completely trashed. It's completely gone. Probably making a good bit of noise and not doing anything. And the other side, you can't even see it, but the end link's like not there. So yeah, gonna go ahead and knock that out today. So let's get this off. I'll tell you guys the millimeter, the bolt size and everything, and we'll get new stuff in. All right, guys, so see a little crusty under here. These are two 15 millimeters. That's gonna go ahead and let the bracket that's holding the bushing in. It's on both sides. You can see it on that side. And then I'm not sure what the end link is up there, but it bolts up there and then up top. So let's go ahead and get this off first. Should be relatively easy. Make sure you use a 6-point socket. It's already spinning. That's good. So we'll go ahead, get that one off, and then yeah, work on the other side. Okay, guys, so kind of sucks. See the bolt sheared off. This is kind of things that happen when you work with old trucks, but the lucky thing is, if you look inside of here, this is like a plate. I'm not sure if I'm just gonna order another one or if I'm just gonna put 2 bolts in there and torque it that way. I probably should get another one just because the mounting style, how easy it would be. I'm not sure. But anyway, I gotta figure that out. But you can see this side already fell down because I told you the end link up top already broke off. So I'm not worried about that. So I'm gonna have to unbolt the other side and then figure out what we're gonna do here. And before I do the other side, I'd say these bushings are well past their lifespan. They're completely trashed. So bushing should be like very, very, very like firm, but you should still be able to move these. You can tell this is just, I mean, this crumbles. So not being hooked up and crumbling is probably not helping. All right, guys, so got the sway bar out. Just reiterate on the bushings a little bit more now that it's out so you can kind of see a little bit more on why. So these just literally, I'll have to take a hammer because these have probably been in here probably for the whole time. Push them out, and then, so the end link on this side, had to cut it off. It's stuck in here. I'm gonna have to heat this up and beat this out in a vise. But what I wanted to say was this end link that goes up by the gas tank, Dodge made a hell of a design to replace this end link on that side. And unless the previous owner did it, I don't know. But the bolt that goes through the top of the end link to secure it to the frame will not come out far enough. It actually touches the gas tank. So I'm gonna have to unbolt the bracket that holds the driver side, this side, the driver side, end link bracket to the body, just to get that bracket off to flip the bolt around so the bolt goes this way, so that when I pull it out, that I can actually get access to it versus like where it's at now, because on the leaf spring, like if the leaf spring's right here in the middle, the bolt is touching the gas tank, so when it's all the way out. So yeah, get new bushings on there. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, and yeah. Figured I'd show you guys the bolt I'm talking about. So right here, up here, you can, this is the nut, you can access it. So on the back side, you can see it's touching the gas tank. So there's 2 bolts that hold that in. I'll go ahead and clean that bracket up too. But yeah, that's causing a little bit of issues. I don't know if the previous owner did it. I don't even know how they would have got the bolt in there. But if you run the bolt in this side and then fasten it down on the other side, that would make sense. But yeah, truck things. So we'll go ahead and we'll get that bracket unbolted and then we'll get it out and go from there. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. This has not been a fun experience so far. The front sway bar is so much easier than this. So here's the end link at the bottom, the one that was broke, the other one that's cut somewhere else. To get these out of the bottom of the sway bar right here, I had to use a torch to get them really, really hot and then actually beat them out. So hopefully the rest, undo those mounts, put the new stuff on. Hopefully it goes together pretty easily, but if you do not have a torch, focus. But if you do not have a torch, this job's almost going to be impossible for you. So just keep that in mind. I know it sounds like it should just be super simple. That's what I thought too. It's turning out not to be that way, so just keep that in mind. Once I get the new ones on the bar, I'm going to clean the bar up a little bit, but I'll show you guys. Yeah, both look like this. Maybe the other one's even a little bit worse. So you need replaced. Right, so before this goes back together, just kind of show you the new mounts that are in the brackets. That's how shit should look. And then show you guys up here. So for the end link that goes down there, you see it? That's how it should be. The bolt should be out this side and the nut should be on the inside, just to make it easier so that I won't, because how I ended up getting this out is I actually cut the original one, which I'm not mad about because of the condition of it, but I didn't know what else to do. Obviously not going that far to drop a gas tank. The mounting bracket, you cannot get out with that still in there. It's just a pain. The new ones also come with little grease joints, so that's nice to keep that in good condition. But just wanted to show you guys that. Hung those first before I put that up. So it should make it a little easier. All right, guys, I'm always pretty transparent on how difficult a job is. Out of 5, this is probably a 3. The rear is a lot more difficult than the front, but show you guys, all snugged up, all bolted in the bottom, all new bushings. Looks good. Just this side, honestly, if you're gonna do the job, just be prepared for this bolt to either, I don't know if mine was in backwards or if that's just how they come, but if that is how they come, you're gonna have to cut it or something and get another one. So that's what I did. It was pretty easy, but give it a 3 just because of that bolt. Honestly, the rest wasn't too bad. So, all right, guys, that's it. I know it's a short video, but just finishing up with the suspension on the truck. So until next time, make sure you smash that like, hit that thumbs up, all that fun shit. So support those who support you.